In this video, I am going to show you how to fix fail to initialize PlayStation PC SDK. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Update drivers and system software. Ensure all your system drivers are up to date, especially those related to graphics and hardware. Also check that your operating system has all the latest updates installed. Step number 2. Reinstall the game. Sometime a corrupted installation can cause the error. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the game to see if that fixes the issue. Step number 3. Verify game's file integrity. If you are using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game file. This can repair any damage or missing files that might be causing the error. Step number 4. Update or reinstall PlayStation PC SDK. Make sure you have the latest version of the PlayStation PC SDK installed. If you already have the latest version, try reinstalling it to fix any potential installation issues. Step number 5. Check security settings and permissions. Ensure the game and SDK have the necessary permissions to run properly. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.